Hello, my name is Erica Martinez and this video is being created for my Psychology 101 class. In this video, I will illustrate the functional structures of the neuron and how a neuron looks like. To begin, let's understand what neurons are. Neurons are specialized cells of the nervous system that transmit signals or information from one part of the body to another. To start off, here on the table, you will see all the parts of a neuron. For the dendrites, I will be using worms. For the axon, I will be using licorice. For the myelin sheath, I will be using the micikes. For the terminal buttons, I will be using sweet tarts. For the nucleus, I will be using a whopper. And the soma or cell body, it will be a peanut butter cup. Now, I will begin by putting the parts of the neuron together into one single neuron. This peanut butter cup here will be our soma or cell body, the main portion of the cell. What the soma or cell body does, it processes the information and it contains the nucleus, which will be using the whopper. The nucleus contains the genetic material in the form of chromosomes. Next, we will connect the dendrites, which will be these worms. The dendrites are the information receiving poles that receive information from other neurons. Next is the axon, which will be our licorice, which is the part of the neuron that transmits information. This information is going to go from the dendrites to the soma or cell body and down to the other end of the neuron. The next structure of the neuron is the myelin sheath, which is an insulating material that wraps around the axon and it increases the speed of the action potential, which we will be using as the micikes. The gaps you see here in between the myelinated axon is called the node of Ranvier. This serves to facilitate the rapid conduction of nerve impulses. The transmission of information is going to go much faster in an axon that is myelinated over one that is not or does not have myelinated. Finally, we have the terminal buttons. Putting them backwards. Which are our sweet tarts. The terminal buttons are also called the presynaptic terminal. What the terminal buttons do is release a chemical called neurotransmitter. This serves as a messenger to other neurons. And now, ladies and gentlemen, this is how a single neuron looks like. Briefly, I will go over again on the functions of the neuron. The neuron creates the behavior. The dendrites receive it. The soma or cell body processes it. The axon is going to transmit it. And finally, the terminal buttons are going to send a message to the next neuron. And this concludes our video. Thank you.